Hey, it's Noe with WTI. If you're clumsy like me, well, now you don't have to worry about breaking any glass or cup with this amazing 8-piece set from Amazing Abby. My favorite thing about these cups is that they look like glass. They even have this beautiful, almost iridescent reflection. This is some pretty durable plastic. I put these to the test and could see that even a fall did not break these. A beautiful feature about these cups is that the bottom looks like a snowflake. And the bottom is actually textured as well, which is a beautiful accent. I put them side by side to a 7.5 ounce can and a 12 ounce can, and you can really see the height. This is a quality cup and I can't wait to use it all year round. I can see us entertaining on the deck in the summer, taking these camping or to the beach, and know that these cups will not break. There's definitely peace of mind knowing you don't have to clean up a mess. So if you're looking for a durable cup that can be used all year round, indoors or outdoors, then I would highly recommend this set of 8 from Amazing Abby. And that's my point of view.